everyone, welcome back here to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Coach E. Well, you can call me Dr. Elizabeth. For those of you that are new on this page, you probably know that I received my doctorate degree. I am now a doctor. But for those of you that are new, it's your girl Dr. Elizabeth, but you can call me Dr. Coach Eli. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What I want to do today is honestly help you guys out. So I suggest that you find 10 minutes out of your schedule. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because what I usually do is come here, especially I just don't come here to talk. I do this especially when I am inspired. This video is for those of you that are specifically new in the industry or looking to diversify what you are already doing. You're looking to add income, or you're looking to add extra ways to make extra income, or you're looking to stack services. We have so many terminologies for this words or for these things that I'm trying to describe. We call it wraparound services, stack services, whichever way. Welcome. So stay right there. But before anything, this video, you must, what I want to do is guide you on how you can, what you should be doing before you even start it off. What you should be doing, what you need to have in place before you start it all, before you pay someone your money, the things that you need to put in place and how you can go about making some sort of extra cool income. Okay, for those of you that are new, if you don't have your LLC, I recommend that you have an LLC, and after that you get your EIN number. EIN number is definitely free. You don't need to pay anyone. It's always it comes directly from the IRS. LLC, depending on your state, some can take up to 2 weeks. My state in Maryland, it does take 10 days, approximately 10 days. Some states have sent where they do it within 2 days. Again, LLC, EIN. The most important thing I want to talk about is your drug testing and DNA. When it comes to drug testing business, you all need to have what we call a lab account. Some of you probably don't know, when it comes to DOT, Department of Transportation, DOT regulated drug testing, it has to be a lab-based setup. Meaning that when you do all sort of drug testing, you need to send it back to the lab. So you need to check in with your coach. Ask them, are they going to assist you with setup? Are they going to give you beyond your certification? DOT, yes, you do need to be DOT specimen collector, verified, certified. Once you're certified, you then need to make sure that you have a lab account, because without a lab account, you won't be able to process DOT. So make sure the person, whomever you're going to go through their training, is going to help you obtain both your DOT and your non-DOT lab account. Your DOT lab account will come with a medical review officer, aka MRO. So you want to make sure that they assist you with the lab account setup. Now, be careful. Lab account requires that you do have a business credit. If you don't have a good business credit, the lab may reject you. Okay. In our training, the way that I do mine is by default, I am my client's TPA, so they don't have to worry about lab account or business credit. They don't have to worry about all of those. We take care of that within my training program. So my training program is a solution-based type of program. Everything that you need to successfully run and start and grow your business is what I have incorporated into my training. So make sure you have your medical review officer, you have a DOT lab account. They give you your custom chain of custody, CCF form, because you need a chain of custody customized to your business name. One of the things that a lot of my clients or students would ask, you need an address. It could be a virtual address. We always try to tell our students not to use their home address. So you guys would need to go get you an postal address, any sort of business address, virtual address will do, but you do need a business address. You can run this business as a mobile lab. It's okay, but make sure that your goal is to increase, is to expand. Sometimes you can work with TPAs or businesses that can send clients to you. If you don't have a location, a physical place where these people can send clients to you, you're probably not going to be able to do that piece of the business. So a lot of times you guys ask, oh, where is the money going to come from? I have an upcoming session where I'm going to show you how you can run your business and they will pay you, and you can use that money to cover your overhead cost. And your overhead cost doesn't have to come from your pocket directly. Again, these are all solution driven that I have incorporated into my business. I teach solution. I like to teach students or people how to run businesses the effective way. Also, make sure that the type of program that you're going to select has a marketing piece. After giving you all the certificates, after helping you to start up, how do you make clients? How do you grow? How do you scale? How do you make money? I discuss all of those out. So make sure your training program comes with marketing resources specifically targeted to the industry, not just generic marketing, but the ones that typically works and those that buys from what we sell, that will buy from what you sell, your drug testing. When it comes to DNA, you want to make sure you have a DNA lab account. DNA, you can't run that as a rapid or instant. You have to send those process or specimen to the lab. Make sure that the lab that you partner with have what we call the AABB accreditation, that they are going to help you, because you need that piece to also make money. Without you being an accredited or affiliated with an accredited AABB lab, you won't be able to resell immigration DNA tests, those high-performing DNA tests such as immigration, legal immigration and all that. Immigration DNA is a very performing niche, and I'm very happy to let you know that I am the only one in this industry that teaches DNA immigration. If anyone is teaching you, they must have stolen my content or they must be giving you garbage. Make sure that if you want to resell or learn more about immigration DNA, you are reaching out to me directly, because I am the best and the expert in this game, and I teach you exactly how to roll, start, launch, grow an immigration DNA, to be specific. That's one of the best niches, performing niches in the industry when it comes to DNA. You want to partner. Your to-do in your what you need to know and get out of this video is that you need to know that immigration DNA exists, and you can do it as a solo or individual business, and that you want a lab that allows you to resell. If it's not a thing, labs that we work with would not be doing it. So make sure that you're informed so that you are not deformed. Let's wrap up. What I want you to take away here is that you can start a diagnostic lab business, aka drug testing DNA business, successfully. So allow me to put this in this video. I'm going to have another video, so make sure you subscribe. Go on my channel and watch some of my videos, if not all of my videos. You will learn a whole lot from there. One good thing that we are doing right now in the industry, what I am bringing to the table as a teacher, as a coach in this industry right now, is 3 beautiful things that I'm bringing to the table. One of them is that I am now beginning to help you guys to start your own business. Should you like to start your own training, coaching business, make sure you watch this video. Well, it won't be this video because you have to go find that video, because I haven't shot the video. But if there's another stream right now, I'm helping you guys start your own training business. You want to probably look out for that video. Second of all, now I am a funding strategist. I now can help you secure contracts and grants. Speaking of contract, the one that we're currently seeking right now and actively working on right now is genetic testing. If you have a DNA business, we can help you secure funding, and you're going to be giving DNA testing specifically to veterans. So that's one thing right here that I bring to the table that you wouldn't find anywhere. Right. The third thing now that we bring to the table is I'm showing you guys how you can stack services. So now y'all can become an immigration consultant and you can make more money. One immigration consultant client can give you up to $3,000. So you can charge $2,500, $1,800 depending on the case. So you want to learn more, again, you do have to reach out to me. But this is an informational session or video to help you understand what's going on in the industry. If people are doing this, and some of you have said, oh, coach, I don't like to do drug testing, it's saturated, it's boring, it's this. Yes, there are so many new streams and so many services that you can offer now. All you just have to do is call, reach out to me, and I'll put you on the right path. Okay, we have drug testing, we have DNA, lead testing is another business that I bring to the table. Y'all can make $10,000 doing lead testing in a day. Yes, I, Coach Eli, have done this over and over. If you go through my videos, especially my shorts and my live videos, you will see that it is possible. I have done this over and over, and that's what I'm teaching this day. I can help you start your own training program. I can help you secure grants, funding. These are the new ounces and the new thing we're going to be doing in 2026 and beyond. So get in touch with me, but make sure you understand what you want to do, and let's help you get this money in your bag. I'll talk to you again. It's your girl, Dr. Elizabeth. I'll be back. Make sure you subscribe and watch out for my next video.